This is a tractor cold start. It is cold, man. Whew. I want to show you how cold it is. Oh. This is how cold it is. Damn, you guys can't even see. Well, we have a bird bath, and it's completely frozen solid. So that's how cold it is right now. Whew. See? Frozen solid. Whew. I gotta bring this trailer back to the yard. I just brought the trailer by hand with the to take these leaves up because the tenant said they were gonna do it, but they never did. So I gotta bring it back to the yard. But tractor hasn't been started in about a week, and it's below freezing every night. So give him a little gas. Oh. See if she blows black smoke. Actually, I'm gonna push her inside a little bit. It's freezing. Holy Moses, it's cold. Oh, God. Oh. 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 I don't have to sit on this tractor, but I will anyway. To start it. Alright, so there's a view of the tailpipe. No choke. We're gonna start it with no choke. Key on. There we go. Here we go. See? Oh, it's cold. She's a cold one. See the gas? It's on. It's not at idle. Give a little bit more gas. Whew. She's cold, man. This is definitely a cold start. Come on, baby. Come on. Full throttle. Oh, she's cold. Oh, did you see all that black smoke? Crazy. Pour out. Oh, Daddy.